Welcome back to the channel, everyone. And in this video, I'm going to do a quick little recipe called the Biscochito. It is a New Mexico favorite cookie, and my goal is this holiday season, I'm going to share it with some family members across the country. I will also link the recipe I used at the bottom, and I will also show you how I changed up the recipe to make it my own little dish, and also why I changed it the way I did. All right, so stay tuned to the end, see how it goes. So first off, you're going to need 6 cups of flour, 1.5 cups of sugar, some lard, along with some anise seeds, baking powder, some salt, and as you can see here, we have Jägermeister. As you can see here, Angelo being the chef, I am his sous. He is sifting the 6 cups of flour along with baking powder and salt into a very large bowl. With the mixer, we begin to mix lard, sugar into a small bowl. Next, you add in your anise along with the eggs one at a time. Smile, Angelo. Add your second egg. And once you're done with that and the lard with the sugar is nice and fluffy, go ahead and start folding that into your flour mixture. Here I'm going to start pulling a little bit of orange zest. So the reason I'm using orange zest is I came across a recipe once that suggested to use it and found that the cookies came out very nice with that little bit of orange, and the anise worked very well together. So typically, Biscochito recipes have a brandy use right here, and I decided to switch that up because of the orange zest. And the story behind that is, while in Romania, a friend of ours was buying us drinks one night, and he decided it would be a good idea to buy us shots of Jaeger. To me, that was completely disgusting, but I didn't want to be rude. So when the shots showed up to the table, they had orange slices in them. So I thought this was very strange. So once we got past language barrier a little bit more, it's similar to drinking tequila. You take a shot of the Jaeger and then you bite into the orange. And I found that this is the one and only time I thought shots of Jaeger actually tasted very well. So when making the Biscochito recipe and I saw that orange zest, thought I'd give it a shot and just say, screw it, let's see what it tastes like. Since then, this is the only way I make my Biscochitos. It's a very nice flavor to it. Once you try it, I guarantee you will love it. Lay out your dough as smooth as you can, typically 1/4 inch thick. So once that's done, go ahead and out on a cookie sheet, and then throw those into the oven at 350 degrees, 12 minutes. After they're cooked, you need to then dip them in this sugar and cinnamon mixture. This gives it that last little bit of sweetness that is needed. Now there are 2 methods to do this. You could either do it prior to cooking or after. Either one I feel comes out really good. And there it is. The Biscochito. This recipe, real simple. I did make 3 batches. It took me hours. It yielded me over 200 cookies. I'm going to be sharing these with family members across the country. I'm going to be sharing some of these at work, and I will more likely be eating most of them myself. But there it is. So I will share the link of the recipe I got in the description below. So you could follow the recipe the way it traditionally is, or you could do that little twist with the orange zest and the Jaeger and tell me which one is best. All right, give it a shot. I hope to see you in the next video, guys. See you next time.